dozen are the one. Oh Lord, put it in the bag for you. I say me just eat one a while ago. And me say all my belly full when they full of juice. What are them a big one? 3 now. Just 6 now, come again. 9 now, 1 dozen. You want the blood up on it? Put on all the blood on it.
I'm full of style. Guys, this is Pitchan Street downtown. Yeah, we're gonna head around to the Tivoli side of the market.
Coronation Market.
Coronation Market,
Coronation Market, guys.
Yeah, this is the old train station, by the way. Old train station. Can't show you.
This is the old train station. Adrian always highlights this, I don't know. I actually never thought about it before, but he's always good at highlighting this building. Yeah. The old train station.
Over here, so now it's about Tivoli Garden Football Club ground. So somewhere right up here, so you'll enter for the Tivoli Garden Football ground. Yes guys, so this is at the back of Coronation Market right now. You know, this is what it looks like. Alright. We'll try to get a park now. It's very difficult to get a park downtown.
Yeah.
But we're gonna try.
One of those places where parking is definitely a problem. Hey guys.
Wagwan.
What's up?
Welcome back to the Del Prat family, you know. So we're here today. Coronation Market, downtown Kingston, Jamaica. Right? We're gonna do some market shopping.
Yeah.
Right? On a budget. In the last video we did grocery shopping. Right? So now in a supermarket. Right? So now we're doing it. We're gonna get produce this time. Alright? We have $100 US to spend and we're gonna see how much we can get with that.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so thank you and stay tuned. Alright, remember to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button as well guys.
And the notification bell so you can notify whenever we drop a video.
Alright guys, so stay tuned. How much a dozen for the banana?
150 for the dozen.
150 a dozen?
Yeah.
Okay, so how much dozen you buy? 2 dozen? Buy 3 dozen, buy 3 dozen. Nah, I take 3 dozen.
So 3 plantain, $100 each. So $300 for these 3. Yeah guys, so we're at our first stop. So we bought bananas already, green bananas, and we bought plantains. Totaling $7.50. So let's see what else we can get, right?
A sweet potato. Alright, sweet potato. You say you like this pumpkin better? How much a pound for the pumpkin, mommy?
$70.
70 a pound?
This. Then me count 22.
She like that one here. So 140 for 2 pound of pumpkin, guys. You know. How much we spent so far? Okay. Alright, thanks.
God bless.
How much for the tomato? 200. Okay. $100. So it's a $100 a pound?
Yeah.
Okay.
One 20. I should take pound and a half. So 180.
Okay. Okay. Alright. So how much more now?
Escallion and Thyme and $100.
So 330.
Okay. 330. Yeah, how you sell the pepper? 300 a pound. Alright, can I get half pound please?
How much is your carrot?
Carrot 140.
Each one of them?
Yeah, sweet pepper.
Oh, how much is it?
Make sure them nice and solid. Yeah? Make sure say them nice solid pepper them.
Trevor, your belch.
Yeah, welcome, baby girl.
Back like a dog. Oh.
How you sell the sweet pepper?
How much them up there, so you remember, Cass? To the sweet pepper, the sweet pepper.
Oh, 230. 230.
Oh.
How much is your one?
250 to say.
Oh yeah, 250.
You can get it cheaper. I market fee now. You go walk up there, sir.
There you go, one price, not sweet pepper.
Yeah.
Through the weather, they sweet pepper.
Alright, this is what? Half pound?
Yeah.
So how much for this? 150.
Alright.
Okay.
How you sell the cabbage?
60 a pound for the cabbage.
3 pounds.
So we're going to take 3 pounds. Cass over here, so pick out our carrot, you know?
Put the size scale. 3 pounds.
Alright, 3 pounds. I'll just say 60 a pound. So that what, 180?
Yeah.
Yeah, want off away. No, why it away? So 2, want another pound. 1 more pound of the carrot to make it 3 pounds.
You put now one back?
Yeah.
You can all.
Hello, Mom, we have the mask.
So, your granddaughter this moment? Your granddaughter?
Sounds nice.
Can I get the market bag? What's the cost of the market bag?
Price of the market bag?
Alright, this 3 pound now.
Yeah.
3 pound now. From 1 little one to make it 3 pound.
Local Irish one?
Yes, 3 pound now. Alright.
I want this.
Yeah.
Buy this?
I'll take a market bag.
$60.
$60. Sorry, 80. Okay, yeah, we can take one. Alright.
That's so much for that 150 for that 850.
So it's the total 850, what? 3 pound of cabbage, half pound of pepper, 3 pound of carrot, plus the bag. Total how much? 850. So 850 plus what we have so far, 2070.
Pimento seed.
Pimento, what, 100?
Yeah.
Alright, when she get the chain, 850, oh, probably not got the chain. Alright, hold on upon this. Sure. 150, but we want more anyway. Alright, here you go.
You know the $50 one? Yeah.
Pimento.
Alright, give me $50.
Okay, $50 pimento.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah?
Instead, I told them I take?
Yeah, 150.
Okay, 150
for the pimento.
Yeah. Alright. The 150 pound the pimento. And this is how much pound is? 3 pound for how much?
240.
240 for 3 pound. Alright. You add the pimento?
Yeah,
Alright.
I don't have it.
Yeah, also the mass MG.
Yes. Mask,
Yeah.
Sounds nice.
Yeah.
Straight. Straight by the way.
Yeah, man. Good, sir. Good. So we're gonna get 2 pound of the sweet potato. How much a pound for the sweet potato again?
140.
Okay. 140 a pound for sweet potato. Oh. $700 for sweet potato. And that's 5 pound.
You want to show them
Right.
it? You want to show them it?
Yeah.
Cucumber, we check on it.
So, well, you have different grade of pepper, mommy. So you say them here now are better quality.
Them come from
Manchester pepper. And then the other one, them now.
People come from Olava.
Olava.
People come from St. Mary.
Olava and St. Mary pepper to see way. So you say the Manchester pepper are the hottest one.
Yeah, because it grow in water.
Oh, it grow with water. Oh.
Olava pepper grow in water, irrigated water.
Okay.
Okay.
Manchester. Okay.
Them grow up on the red dirt.
Oh, them grow straight on the red dirt. So them get them hotter. Okay. Alright, thanks. 80? Alright, we'll get the change. 80 for one, so 2 of them one?
Take the 2 of them for the 150.
Okay.
Like dearer than that, yeah.
So 150.
Like a wholesale price.
150 for the 2. How much of garlic this? How much garlic this? What bag you call it?
Yeah.
2 bags of garlic for yeah. For how much again?
150.
150 for the 2 bags. Yeah, so this is how much you gone so far, guys. Alright.
But you see how market go? The other day we buy 1 bag of garlic for 150. The other day not just the day, yeah? Yeah, just the other day we buy for 3. You say so?
Yeah, no, it dropped back. The garlic dropped back.
Now you get 2 for 150.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. It's a 150 a pound.
150. Yeah, man, for your can see. 150. 2 pounds. 150.
Some nice beetroot. How much a pound for beetroot? 150 a pound.
Yeah, so we're buying 2 pounds. 2 pounds of beetroot. Love these guys. Ladies, you have to stock up on the beetroot.
Why?
They need all the iron and so that it produces. You know what it gives you? Yeah, it gives you energy. So if you're tired, beetroot. The yellow?
Yeah, that's good.
2 pound white, 2 pound yellow. Same price you told them?
Yes, we did.
You a nice piece. Like you come back. Get a piece that makes you come back.
Call back and then come back. Call back.
But where do you come from, General? Trelawney Yam.
My government she said we still around
You have been at the yam, huh?
We said put me there and
Jaja.
That's some people for Joval instead of a coast and a cherry on.
Oh, the back of this look.
Sorry, John, not me give you. Sorry, say
You actually cut and put down. It dry. It back up dry. Yeah.
Open at the head.
Alright. So 150 per pound, right?
Yeah.
And this is 4 pound.
So that's a $600. 600 for the yam.
Yep.
Guys, so 180 a pound for local potato, right? And the imported one for how much?
120.
120. Okay. So guys, for those who don't know the difference between the local and the imported potato, now you see it, right? Local potato, Irish potato, and these are the imported Irish potato, right? The local is a little bit more expensive, right? But you know, eat where you grow, them say quality, better quality potato, the local one them. See it guys? Alright, 180 a pound. So,
Give me a pound of this. It doesn't really matter.
Because it is like a salad, if it's salad making, the imported one makes the salad nicer.
okay.
Cook this like soup. It's nice, yeah.
Oh, so the imported one was softer?
Creamy.
Yeah. Creamy and
Oh. So which part the potato come from? Manchester. Oh, so most of your produce come from Manchester? Okay. We're actually taking...
Oh, 1 pound of the local one and 2 pound of the foreign one.
Okay, 1 pound of the local and 2 pound of the foreign one. Because as the gentleman say, there's a slight difference based on what I do with them basically. You know? Respect. So the 3 pound of local and foreign potato mixed together, right? Yeah, what that 380. So So now we total so far of 4,590. 4,600.
Yeah.
200 a pound? How much for them
They
normally?
really look so nice. No. I want to feel like a tomato there, market. You understand them? Can buy them 100.
Mama, give me semi-mousse.
Alright.
Give me the number. How much I buy? 1.5. 1.5?
1.5?
Give me a number. When nobody was supposed to get.
What about home?
I want to buy it. $100 worth. I have two.
You have 2 pounds at home?
2 single tomatoes. We buy $100 worth of stuff. Half pound.
Huh?
We buy half pound of stuff.
Ah, what? Tomato?
In Ackee, yeah. Half pound enough for $100. And the same. $200.
Okay. So you know work out cheaper. Which way you buy that?
Same $200.
Where you buy it?
Over Greater Portmore shopping center.
So the same price. You come downtown and get it for the same price like a Portmore or wherever. Can I expect you to come downtown and get it cheaper?
See, you see? One time Ghana, one time we have a Coronation market.
Yeah.
You know, you come get the cheap stuff, but things change.
Yeah.
You know, not cheap now. We are getting everybody yourself for the same price. Yeah, market, supermarket.
Yeah. So 1 pound that. 1 pound of sweet potato for sweet pepper. Sorry, 1 pound of sweet pepper for how much? 250.
2 pounds, yeah?
And yeah, 2 pound, exactly 2 pound of tomato.
Yes.
For $400, that basically 200 a pound.
Yeah.
Eh.
When I have the exam,
Call it so.
I'm not taking it for the
$300?
Yes. So 150.
So it's $600 a pound. This is 1.5 pound.
So 900.
And this is 3 pounds of melon. So this is $300.
Okay. And 1 pine too.
Yeah.
And 1 pine. Sugar loaf pine.
Oh, let me add it.
I want to get the money then. Get the money then.
Yes! So this is what we have so far. And we're going to get...
Plus the pine?
No, we're not into the pine.
No, yeah, we're gonna add the pine. We're gonna add the pine. Hey guys, this is star fruit or gimlin, any which way you want to call it.
How much $100?
Oh, so it's $100 a dozen, you say?
Yeah.
$100 a dozen for gimlin, guys, or star fruit.
Them sour?
Oh, they're not sweet, right? Right, these are for juice purpose. $100 a dozen, guys. $100 for Ackee.
It's a $200 dozen, so you're going to buy the 2 dozen for $400. We're not waiting there, we don't want the soft one.
Pine and ginger. Any pine and ginger?
$200 a dozen for Ackee.
Oh, 2 dozen?
How much for the breadfruit again?
150, baby.
150.
Again.
How much for the banana, ma'am?
4.
$300 a dozen.
$300 a dozen. Can I take it? Alright. No. The banana are pretty though. Pretty banana them. Alright, 400.
I'm so happy with us. You smile.
We finish?
Yeah, some final stuff.
$600 a pound for lettuce. The Pak Choi how much? $150 a pound for Pak Choi. $100. That's a $450. $450. Dang. Yeah. A 450.
The 2 pear, $200.
Yeah, guys. So
Hey guys.
we're at the end of the expedition, you know?
It's a wrap. So you basically see all that we got. But we're at the end, so
Guys, so basically that's it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, guys. And remember to subscribe to the Del Pratt family for further updates.
Turn on the post
All right.
notification bell.
There you
That's
go.
every time you upload, you can receive a message.
All right.
bye guys.
Bye.